How to delete chat history on email. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Whether you want to clean up your old conversations, free up space, or just keep things private, this beginner-friendly guide will walk you through the steps. First of all, launch open the Emo application on your device, and once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the chat with the conversation you want to remove. After you open the conversation page, go to the upper left corner and tap on the person's name. Now, once you open up the person's info, you'll see this Delete Chat History option at the bottom. Tap on that. Click on Delete in the pop-up, and you have successfully deleted your chat history with the contact. Deleted chats cannot be recovered. The photos or files saved to your device may still remain in your gallery from this specific chat. So right there, you have successfully deleted chat history from a contact on email. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.